I wanted so bad to start a YouTube channel because I knew back then that, and I still know now that owning a YouTube channel or owning a monetized YouTube channel is like owning a gold mine where anything can happen at any time. I was so eager to start a YouTube channel for that reason. Number two, I wanted so bad to start a YouTube channel because of the financial freedom and financial benefits that comes with it. You understand? And number three, because of who I am. Who I am because I like talking a lot, and I see YouTube as the only channel that can help me express myself properly and earning or making money at the same time. I was so desperate. I started creating so many accounts, hoping that by luck, one of them can pop out with so many views, having so many lucky views and so many millions of views, and I can get monetized on the process. But it turns out that my those were fallacy. It doesn't work like that. What did I do? I started listening to so many webinars. I started listening to so many videos on how to grow YouTube, to grow and monetize a YouTube channel, of course. And I started learning them from or listening to those videos posted by those that already has a YouTube or a monetized YouTube account. You get? So by doing so, there were this thing they keep mentioning: consistency and niche. Those keywords, those were the only key points that everyone or every videos I watched was mentioning. Consistency in putting out posts, and number two, discovering your niche. And the two goes together. You understand? For you to be able to, your niche is the kind of content you love putting out, and the content your audience love consuming. You understand? But for you to be able to know your niche, you need first of all to be putting out lots of separate and diverse content. You understand? By doing so, you get to discover which content your audience are consuming more and which one they are not consuming more. Which one are you good at and which one you are not good at. By doing so, you'll be able to discover your niche and start streaming your content to your niche. That when they say they want to watch videos on how to create a YouTube channel, your channel will come. Maybe you make videos about how to create a Facebook channel. So whenever someone thinks of to watch a video about Facebook, they go to your channel. Maybe you make videos about cooking food. When someone think about making videos on how to make egusi soup, they go to your channel. Maybe you make videos on how to dress up. When someone is going for a wedding or they are planning a wedding dressing or whatever, they go to your channel. You understand? That is your niche. But for you to be able to know your niche, you need to be putting out content consistently for you to be able to discover your niche. And I bet you, I know the whole YouTube thing is so saturated right now with lots of verified and monetized accounts, but I can promise you it's never enough. You are still gonna get viewers. That is one of the most interesting thing about the internet. It's never enough. The more people come in, the more earnings you get. You understand? Keep doing you. Keep putting out you. Keep being consistent in putting out content, and I'll show you that's the only way you can get monetized. I started practicing it a few months ago, and so far so good. In a month, I got 2,000 views. If I have started this like 3 years ago and been doing the consistency thing, by now probably I would have been monetized. But it's better late than never. You can also start now. I am encouraging you. Like this channel so that other people like you can get to see this video. Remember, the more people come in, the more you also earn. You have the duty to share this video with your friends, your colleagues, and anyone aspiring to start a YouTube channel. Thank you, and thank you.